We, the students of Aditya Birla Public School, are here to present our project for Viksit Bharat Buildathon under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat, which means self-reliant India. Our project focuses on an innovative and affordable smoke purification system that filters harmful smoke without using any expensive technology. It supports India's dream of becoming self-dependent by using simple and locally available materials instead of costly imported components.
The problem which we identify is the rising air pollution caused by the smoke from various sources such as factories, vehicles and burning waste. Smoke contains various harmful gases such as some carbon monoxide and fine dust particles which can lead to breathing problems, global warming and damage to our environment. Many advanced smoke purifiers are available in the market, but they are too expensive and rely on imported technologies.
There are many causes of smoke pollution like industrial waste burning, uses of fossil fuel, vehicle emission and domestic chullas. The effects are severe. Air quality decreases, plants and animals suffer, and humans face diseases like asthma and lungs infection. Children and elderly people are most affected groups. That's why our project focuses on the solution that is not only affordable but easy to install and use in rural and urban areas.
Now I will demonstrate you how our project works. We have burnt a incense stick here which produces smoke which act as dirty smoke. And now when we on the lever, there is a machine which is surrounded by various layers of cotton and which purifies the smoke. This machine helps the smoke travel from one pipe to the another, and the result is this pipe which gives us purified smoke. To test whether it's purified or not, we can smell it. As incense stick produce an elegant smell, if we smell here, the smell will be gone 80%.
To conclude, our smoke purifier is simple yet powerful idea that supports Atmanirbhar Bharat by using local materials, saving energy and protecting the environment. It also encourages every citizen to think innovatively and use local materials to solve local problems. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to present our idea. Together, let's move forward for safer, healthier, cleaner and self-reliant India. Thank you.